Okay? So, that time, this is already in profit. Nag-break na structure. Take note, sa MT5 ko, okay, I'm already trailing stop, okay, para, again, nag-i-improve yung risk-reward ratio as the market progress, okay, as it breaks another structure, I'm trailing stop, so para nagiging less yung risk and apparently magiging risk-free yung trade later on, okay, yun yung goal natin. So, makita nyo, gumagalaw na yung price, so naka-fast forward na yung video na to, para, again, hindi tayo maghintay ng many hours para makita nyo yung result. Okay? What is good mga champion, and welcome back to another video. And for today's video guys, this is just a continuation part 2 of the gold trading that I have shared few hours ago. Okay? So ipapakita ko dito how powerful and effective using just the basic concepts, okay, on a live trading setup yung ating TFP Warrior system, incorporating yung tinatawag nating market structure at price action. Okay? So remember, I was just using the basic concepts from this trade using this TFP Warrior system. So, but if you want more in-depth and advanced knowledge when it comes to trading, and if you want to get more serious in your trading journey, go check out our TFP VIP Champion 90-day mentorship program and be part of our growing community. Okay? So again, there will be two-part sections on this video wherein ipapakita ko sa inyo yung before, wherein I was analyzing gold that I'll be shorting gold in few hours based na rin sa system rules ng TFP Warrior system, and yung after, yung result where I got 1,500 pips from this trade. And it was recorded, the screen was recorded para mas makita nyo how effective yung ating price action. Alright? So again, thank you so much to all my TFP VIP Champion students all over the globe, subscribers, followers, and sa lahat po ng sumusuporta. Alright? So without further ado, let's get straight to our video. Okay? So anong pwede kong gawin? I will use this area as an HPT zone. Kasi bakit? Ito yung parang tutumbukin natin na area of selling. Okay? Okay. Yan. Bakit yan? Tandaan mo, because I am below trendline resistance. Okay? So, in terms of horizontal resistance, diba? Take note, meron tayong mga structure dito na merong multiple touch. So, it can act as well as your resistance level, okay, around this area. So, take note that it can serve as your horizontal resistance. Kasi bakit? From past data, meron ka pang area of dito. So, again, this whole area is your selling HPT zone. Okay, around this area. And take note, nabasag mo rin yung counter trendline support mo, which is ito. Okay? So, right now, ihintayin ko lang yung market mag-react sa aking HPT before I sell the market going here or even up until dun sa aking take profit. So, kung gusto nyo less greed, just use yung 1:3 risk to reward ratio. Okay? So, ibig sabihin yan, yung aking resistance area, okay, or selling area for an HPT zone is ito. Okay? Ito yung magiging HPT. Okay? So, given the structure, tandaan nyo, coming from this broken counter trendline support, okay, and major area around this horizontal level, and I am now below nitong trendline resistance, so it can be an HPT for a selling. So, kailangan ko muna maghintay, magpunta yung market dito before I can execute for a sell. So, what you can do is simply what? Okay? What you can do is simply baba ka ng lower time frame for the proper execution. So, since nasa H1 ako as a level, di ba? Mas gusto ko na mas makita yan on the proper risk to reward ratio sa 5 minutes. So, you can execute dito sa 5 minutes. So, kung makikita nyo, this is the huge area for selling opportunity natin. Okay? Kasi bakit? Kailangan natin mag-react yung market within this area. Kailangan mag-pull back siya, and we'll execute a sell trade stop loss above this range, okay, before we dive into a take profit. So again, as an opportunity, anything can happen, but tinitingnan ko lang yung opportunity based on ano yung pinapakita ng market. Okay? So, do take note, ang pwede nyo gawin is just use any like sell limit. Okay? Pwede kang maglagay ng sell limit dito. Okay? And then, itp mo siya doon sa buy HPT mo as take profit. Okay? So, again, once nagpunta dito yung market price, okay, you can still be conservatively enter using what? The same system rules. Okay? Kapag nabasag mo to, then saka ka mag-enter. Or aggressively, you can use limit order para once ma-trigger to, then it's gonna be a running trade. Kasi yung ginagalawan mo naman is sell HPT area or HPT zone. So again, this is just a simple idea on how you can trade gold based on market structure. Kasi kung makita natin, di ba, on a 4-hour perspective, may gap pa yung gold, okay, within this range. So, yun yung pwede mo lang i-trade before you can look for buy setup within this HPT. Okay? So, again, anything can happen. Ang point ko lang dyan is we don't want to predict. We only react kung anong pwedeng gawin natin based dun sa condition na pinoprovide ng market. And based nga dun sa lower time frame natin, like 1 hour, okay, ito yung structure niya. Alright, so as I record this video, okay, so makikita nyo guys that this video screen na nakita nyo is actually a screen recording ng aking computer, and makikita nyo dyan that nakapasok na ako dun sa aking trade on a short setup dahil nga na-execute na yung aking limit order. Take note, okay, the reason ako ay nag-sell dahil nga based from my past video on gold trading, it satisfied all of my system rules, particularly yung basic TFPOR system natin. So take note, I'm showing you how powerful yung market structure and confluences as well as yung ating price action. Okay? So nagpapalit-palit ako ng time frames para makita nyo na ito ay live trading during the time na naka-record yung screen ko. Okay? So again, you can verify dito sa right side yung may green part na merong timer. Ibig sabihin yan, every 5 minutes, nagkakaroon ng panibagong candlestick. So, ibig sabihin yan, this is a live setup, okay, on actual ongoing trade as a sell dito sa gold trade na to. Okay? So, again, sinunod ko lang naman yung system rules ko as explained dun nga sa past video ko. So, mapapanood nyo yun just before this video is being uploaded. Okay? So, just check out. Okay, ilalagay ko na lang yung link dito sa screen, and makikita nyo that this trade setup is actually satisfying yung rules for a sell setup. Okay? So, ongoing siya. Okay? Okay, so nakita nyo, gumagalaw yung price. So, this is a live chart ongoing while I was recording the screen. And while I was, again, ongoing tong trade na to. Tandaan nyo, naka-execute na ako dito sa aking MetaTrader. So, ibig sabihin yan, ongoing na yung trade dun sa aking account. Okay? So, I don't have to show everything naman. Importante is makita nyo that yung analysis ko prior tong video to is ongoing, and just to prove na just using the basic, okay, understanding ng price action at market structure, you can already make money from this. Okay? But if you want more in-depth and advanced strategy, that's the time, if ever also na you want to become a full-time trader or you want to get serious on your trading journey, okay, you might want to check out yung ating 90-day program mentorship. Okay, 90-day mentorship program. Okay. Yan. Okay, sorry. Yan. So, I was changing time frame during that time para makita nyo na live trade to, and I was changing to a mini time frame para makita nyo na gumagalaw talaga yung chart. Okay? On the actual time na naka-record yung screen ko from my computer. Right? So, kaya ako pinapalitan yung mga time frames so that everyone knows that is a live trade setup. Okay? So, it took a while kung makita nyo, no? Again, that's the importance of patience sa pagtitrade. Kasi 10% is execution lang naman. And 90% of that really is waiting. Kailangan mo talaga maghintay. Okay? So, as of this time, mas masarap maghintay kasi in profit yung inyong trade. Okay? So, kung makita nyo, di ba? Nung na-trigger ako, hindi naman ako agad in profit. I was on a negative profit. Okay? From the few hours, okay? Kasi that's how the market goes. Hindi naman perfecto yung market. Okay? You have to understand that the market doesn't move in a certain direction na iisa lang. Okay? Sometimes nagko-consolidate yan up or down, and there are times during the period ng trade mo na negative ka. Okay? So you must have to overcome yung inyong fear, okay? Yung psychological aspect na wag nyong i-exit yung trade. Okay? As long as meron kayong proper risk management, everything will go your way as long as sinatisfy mo yung mga system rules mo. Okay? So there's no really secret, but then again, there are more advanced stuff na pwede kong ituro sa inyo dun sa 90-day program natin. And I think majority of my students are killing it dun sa market. And yeah, of course, it takes practice, but importante is ano ba yung makukuha yung value. Yun yung importante. Hindi lang naman kayo basta magbabasa doon, magmo-module. No, that is a one-on-one mentoring. Kaya nga, again, if you want to become part ng TFP VIP Champion Committee, then you might want to check out the mentorship program. Okay? So, but if you are a beginner, and again, I'm not forcing anyone, no? Dito pa lang pwede na kumita using this TFP wire system. Okay? But if you want to get serious, then mentorship is a thing. And there's a lifetime guidance for me, okay? Which is not all people or not all other services ay pinoprovide yun, particularly in lifetime guidance. Okay? So you'll be part ng private Discord community where everyone will share their analysis. Okay? So that would also part ng inyong continuous learning as a trader. Okay? Again, took a while, so I'll just fast forward yung ibang parts para makita nyo naman yung galaw ng market. Okay. So that time, this is already in profit. Nag-break na structure. Take note, sa MT5 ko, okay, I'm already trailing stop. Okay, para, again, nag-i-improve yung risk-reward ratio as the market progress. Okay, as it breaks another structure, I'm trailing stop. So para nagiging less yung risk and apparently magiging risk-free yung trade later on. Okay, yun yung goal natin. So, makita nyo, gumagalaw na yung price. So, naka-fast forward na yung video na to para, again, hindi tayo maghintay ng many hours para makita nyo yung result. Okay? So, just being transparent on this na nothing really to prove. This just points out na everything works lalo na kung alam yung ginagawa mo and you have a solid system, may basic system as it is, di ba? So, basic pa lang, pwede na kayong kumita, di ba? So, free lang yan. And I'm already teaching that sa YouTube ever since. So, again, sa lahat ng mga naka-appreciate ng videos ko, salamat po, and lahat ng mga nagpa-private messages. Okay? Thank you so much. So, thank you sa continuous support na binibigay niyo sa akin. No? So, I'm just giving value dun sa mga audience, subscribers and followers ko na nag-appreciate. Okay? So, again, the market consolidate here, but I do believe na magbe-break to na structure along the way. Okay? So, fast forward natin. So, yun. So, nagkaroon ng reaction from the bottom, but again, so, during the time sa actual MT5 ko, naka-trailing stop na yan. Yung aking stop loss nasa ano na yan, nasa entry ko. So, break even, and nung bumaba pa to, dun ko na nilagay sa in profit yung aking stop loss. So, that is the purpose ng trailing stop para risk-free na yung risk-free na yung trade. Okay? So, imagine how many hours kong ni-record yung screen. So, I don't normally do this, but I just want to relay this dun sa past video ko na pin-provide para, again, maging relevant sa inyo. Alright? Okay? So, I'm frequently changing time frames para makita nyo na this is a live trade. Okay? So, take note, gold is highly volatile. So, imagine how many pips I caught from this short trade. Okay? So, it's around, you just check it out from yourself, diba? So, around 1,500 pips, if I'm not mistaken. Of course, day trade naman yan, right? Even though entry ako sa 5 minutes using limit orders. Okay? So, frequently changing time frames to verify ano na nangyayari from the higher time frame down. Okay? This proves na coming from daily, 4H each one, makakahanap pa yung setup. Okay? So, sa mga nag-message nito dahil hindi daw sila makakuha ng magandang opportunity, there is always an opportunity. Kung meron kayong proper system, there's always a way how to trade any currency pairs at any tradable asset na pwede nyo i-trade. Right? So, there's no excuse. Okay? So, magkakatalo lang yan sa patience at yung timing ng setup. So, yeah. Okay, so from that time, sinabi ko na it will go down, then it went down, right? So, gold can make or break you. At this point, gold really makes me, diba? So, alam niyo na how much possibly I can earn from this trade, diba? No need to flex naman. Importante is natututo kayo and nakikita nyo yung result that what I'm teaching can work effectively kahit basics yan. Okay? So, kaya you can binge watch my videos and learn from it. Okay? Dig deep dun sa mga sinishare kong contents, diba? Kasi that is for all of you guys, lalo na sa mga sumusuporto sa akin. So at this point, consolidate na siya and yeah, I made a note from here. Makita nyo, this is a live trade, okay, ongoing in chart and I was making notes during nag-screen recording tong computer ko. So, yeah. So, sinabi ko dyan, hi mga ka-champion. As of this time, I'm doing trailing stop. Obviously, I'm in profit na dyan. So, risk-free trade na dyan. Kasi sa MT4 ko, naka-trailing stop na yan. And, yeah. So, sabi ko dyan, goods na. Okay? That's enough. Okay? No need to be greedy. Okay? Importante is, I made so much, okay, from this trade. Okay? That would be it, no? So, no need not to be greedy. So, goods na, I'll exit my trade. So, in-exit ko na yung trade ko dyan. Okay? While the market is ongoing. So, sa MT5 ko, naka-close na yan during this time. So, imagine how many hours I have waited. But, the thing here is, it's in profit. Okay? Initially, it's not. But, importante is, I just stick with the rules of the system. I stick with my trade. Okay? I become patient from this trade. So, yeah. The market reward me from my patience. Okay? So, this is related, ang sabi ko yan, this is related to my last video, okay, few hours ago, which I just posted few hours ago, okay, on how to trade gold. Okay? So, now you know, sabi ko dyan, now you know market structure and price action, okay, works, okay. So, tandaan nyo, ongoing fair market, but naka-exit na ako dyan sa MT5. Cheers. Okay? And of course, TFP Champion Forex. Alright. So again, this is just showing you the before and after, okay, result ng aking analysis from my past video on how to trade gold since maraming nagkakaroon ng difficulty trading gold. Alright, so I hope may nakuha na naman kayong valuable lesson from these videos, from my past video recently and for this continuation video regarding gold trading. Okay, take note, I was just using the basic TFP warrior system, incorporating market structure, price action, and other confluences, okay, during my execution. But then again, if you want more in-depth, sabi ko nga, if you want more advanced stuff, go check out, okay, TFP Champion VIP course 90-day program and be part of our growing community. Alright? So again, thank you so much. God bless and see you all on the next videos. Bye-bye.
So I just want to inform and announce that our TFP VIP Champion student private Discord community is already up. And yeah, here we have several channels wherein we share our technical trading ideas among each other, and of course we also have our weekly trade ideas para sa ating mga weekly forecast para sa mga currency pairs and some announcement section. And of course, since tayo ay global, of course we have other students as well na galing sa mga ibang bansa overseas. So here we introduce ourselves and introduce kung saan tayo galing, sa bansa tayo ngayon, OFW man o hindi. But nevertheless, this is a healthy community para mag-share ng mga trading ideas para sa inyo guys. And hopefully, I will be putting up a server publicly para sa mga baguhan naman and those mga followers and subscribers natin. Alright? So yeah, this is just a minor announcement, and hopefully guys, you can join us and make this community grow, lalo na sa ating mga estudyante nag-aaral. Alright guys, so mga baguhan pa lang. But nevertheless, everyone here wants to learn, wants to make profits from the market, but as much as possible, we're all equal in the eyes of the market. Alright guys, so that would be it. So yun lang, and thank you very much. Alright, bye-bye.